Hi guys, welcome to Mascara Nails. I hope you enjoy the designing and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. First, apply a base coat or top coat, how you see, and then using any color, create several circles. I want the designing to be French designing, so I will apply it like the video, and then with the smaller circles and different color, fill it the private circles. You can repeat this step if you want, like I repeated with the green color and the side. And after that, use a thin brush to connect the circles. And that's it. You can see how beautiful and easy. For this designing, first apply blooming gel all over the nail, and then create several wavy lines with any color, just like I'm doing. Like I use the yellow and green. I think they are so good match with each other. Like how you see, it's so beautiful. Actually, you can use the white color with them. They will be so beautiful. Guys, wavy lines is so important. And now you can see how beautifully it created a marble design. For this designing, first apply blooming gel, and then put a dot of any color on the nail and let it spray a little. After that, with a contrasting color, draw several wavy flower-like lines, how you can see in video. It will be a beautiful flower, so easy and beautiful. I use red and white. I think they are so good combo with each other. And here is our beautiful flowers. You can see it now. And guys, if you like it, the designing for now, I will so glad to see your like, comment and subscribe. For this designing, we first apply blooming gel, then draw several circles in any directions, how you can see in video. And guys, don't be worried, they will be amazing. You can see. After that, with a different color, I use white. I draw another circles inside each one. how you can see in video. And then use a brush to connect them, like how I do it. And you can see, so beautiful, so special. And that's it. And we have the last designing. For this designing, the surface of the nails should be dry, so we don't need any more blooming gel. Then with a golden metallic gel, draw a wavy line using a dotting tool and create several dots and even hearts. How you can see, now I draw a heart. And next, apply a few small dots. Now you can see, it's so beautiful. And that's it, simple and elegant. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love you all.